Hi, it's Chester at Blue Pecan Computer Training, and in this video I'm going to show you how to format negative figures in red and with brackets. It's my difference column. Some of the figures are negative. First one I'm going to show you is to use Format Cells. You can get to that various ways. Right click, Format Cells down there, or if you like a shortcut key, Control 1 will do the same thing. So if you just want to format numbers, not currency or percentages or anything like that, go to number here. You can do all sorts of things like change decimal places, which we can do here. We could use thousand separators, but you can also see that you can format negative numbers in a specific way. So it could be with just a red font, or if you prefer, also with a minus sign, which is what we'll do there. That's all you need, you're there really. But what if you want brackets? Well, let's go back into Format Cells. There isn't any option in this list for bracket. We have to go down to Custom. What you've got to do is look in this type box. In this type box, you'll see the format that's currently applied to the cells that you have selected. Now, you don't have to understand all the characters here. All you have to understand is this semicolon separates the positive format, which is on the left, from the negative format, which is on the right. I can type characters in here in the negative part, so I could put my brackets there, and that will then give me my brackets on my spreadsheet. That's all I have to do. I go to Custom, and then I edit the portion of the syntax to the right of that semicolon. You don't have to understand the characters, just type in the brackets there. Let me just take the format back to general. If you want to format currency amounts that are negative with a red font, there's actually a really easy way to do it. If I just select all these cells here, the shortcut key is Control-Shift-4, and that'll just do it for you. And then you can get rid of the decimal places there. If I just get rid of the format, the same options are available via Format Cells. If I go to currency here, if you want to do it manually and not with that shortcut key, you can see that you can format your negative numbers with a red font as well. And if you wanted to have brackets, it's the same thing really. You can put your brackets wherever you like around the negative portion of the syntax there. Click on OK. There we are, I've got my brackets there. Now I'll just clear the formats to take it back to general. The other thing you might want to do is to format percentages. If I do a little percentage difference column here, that would be that divided by that. Do a little bit of format painting here. If I want these percentages, the ones that are negative, to be in red, if I go to Control 1, you'll see that I don't have that option for negative figures here. Like I do for currency and number, I have no negative number options. Again, I've got to go to Custom. What I want to do, after that 0% in the type box, type a semicolon, and then I can type red in square brackets, and then I can say minus 0%, just copying what's already there. 0% is the format that I currently have. After the semicolon, red in square brackets, minus 0%, and I get my figures that are negative in red. Now there's one other way that you might enjoy that doesn't require us to format cells in that way, and that is using conditional formatting. If I just get rid of the format there, so if I select these cells here, on the home tab of my ribbon, I go up to conditional formatting, highlight cells rules, less than, and I type a 0 in there, less than 0, so any negative figures. You can see it picks out the negative figures and formats them with light red fill and dark red text. Now if I don't like that format, I can go to red text there. If I don't like that red, I can go to custom format there, and I can choose my own red, a brighter red, let's say. Click on OK, and that does the same thing. If these were percentages, you do the same thing here. Highlight cell rules, less than, 0, red text, or custom format. I can choose a brighter red. Can't really add the brackets using that method. So if you do need brackets, you're going to need to use format cells. Okay, that's all I wanted to cover in this video. Hopefully you found it useful. Please subscribe if you have, and I'll see you next video.